What is up, boys and girls? Welcome to TVET Tutorials. My name is Doug, and today I'm going to be answering a question from one of you guys. So we received a question from one of you guys saying, I would like to rewrite my Matric examination. How do I go about that? Which is a very, very good question, because come to think of it, a lot of us actually are suffering from this thing of going into higher education institutions and being told that we do not quite qualify to enroll for certain programs or whatever, you understand, or even getting admission. We don't qualify for that because our marks are way too low. So the Department of Basic Education has a program called the Second Chance program. So what this Second Chance program does is that it actually aims to assist learners who failed to obtain their national senior certificates or their extended senior certificates, or even those who failed subjects in their Matric examination. They give them the second chance to rewrite those subjects and pass their Matric, or also to even obtain a Matric certificate. If maybe you wrote your Matric back in 2001 but you didn't pass, you can always go back any year to register for the Second Chance program and be given the opportunity to pass your Matric. You understand? So all the information that you need about the Second Chance can be found on the Department of Basic Education's website, which is www.education.gov.za, right? So if you go onto that website and you navigate to the programs section, you will see down at the bottom you have the Second Chance program. Now the Second Chance program has a number of target subjects. These are subjects that if you failed these subjects, or if you want to improve the marks of these subjects, this is the subjects that they target, which is your accounting, your agricultural agricultural sciences, your business studies, your economics, your English first additional, your geography, history, mathematics, mathematical literacy, your physical sciences, and your life sciences. So if you know that you failed one of those subjects, one or two of those subjects, then you can always go back and rewrite them. Or if you want to just improve the marks on those subjects, you can always go back and rewrite those subjects any year. It doesn't matter whether you wrote your Matric 20 years ago or 15 years ago, you will always be given a second chance. And the nice thing about the Second Chance program is that you are given unlimited number of chances. So if you come back and you apply for rewriting your Matric examination, if you don't quite achieve your goal right then, you can always go back and apply again until you get it right. That's the nice part about this whole program, is that you are given unlimited opportunities, right? The registrations open on the 1st of October. They have been open from the 1st of October until the 8th of February 2023. So if you still if you want to register, you still have time to actually go and register up until the 8th of February 2023. So if you know that this applies to you, you know that you try to get admission into university or into college, and you were told that you don't actually quite qualify because of your marks, then you have up until the 8th of February to get that done with. You have the opportunity to go and register and improve your marks so that you can actually qualify to get admission. If you want to register, then you would want to go to any basic education district in your area, or you can just visit www.eservices.gov.za. And another thing about the Second Chance program is that on their website, they actually give you every little thing that you need to help you prepare for your examination. So whatever you need, if you need previous exam question papers, you will find there. If you need study tips, you will find there. Literally everything that you need to help you prepare, it is all there. So remember, the website is www.education.gov.za. That is where you will find information about the Second Chance program. And if you want to register, the website is www.eservices.gov.za. Now, if you would like to see more of these videos, if you have questions for us, head on over to our Facebook page, leave us comments, interact with us, let us know what questions you have, and we will try our best to answer them in short videos. Okay, so again, if you are new to our channel, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon so that you get instant notifications every time we drop new content. And from myself and my team at TVET Tutorials, adios.